Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming two essentials. You're signed into a Microsoft account, and you have admin rights on the PC. Once confirmed, open Settings, press Windows key +I, then go to Accounts and make sure the profile is Microsoft-based. Next, navigate to Activation. This is where S-Mode change options appear. Make sure your internet is on so the store can validate the switch. This avoids delays and prepares. Now open Microsoft Store and search for the Switch Out of S-Mode page. This is not a typical app page, so use the exact phrase. Once you're on that page, select Get It's Free and follow the on-screen prompts. The store will ask you to confirm switching. Accept it. Make sure you do not try to change the Windows Edition here, because switching out of S-Mode only removes the restriction on installing apps outside the store. Once the store confirms the switch, you may be asked to sign out and sign back in. Do that to finalize changes. If the process stalls or the store shows an error, restart Windows, run Windows Update, and try again. Updates often fix store-related issues. If activation still fails, ensure your Microsoft account is active and re-added under Accounts. This resolves most verification problems. Finally, test installing a non-store app to confirm S-Mode is off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.